it's Coach Jordan. This is what we're gonna make, y'all. Look how pretty this is. Y'all, it's really super easy. It's really not that complicated. You could probably do this. I think I did this in maybe like 15-20 minutes. So these are just wood hearts that were already painted, y'all. I didn't have to paint any of this. So, and I love this natural look right here. So this is just like natural. And then there's pink and red. So, y'all, we're going to get started. A lot of this did come from the Dollar Tree. So I picked up a wreath frame from the Dollar Tree. It is the heart wreath frame. And then these, my mom actually had them in her stash. And for that one, I used 4 bags. So what I did was I chose 2 bags of like the classic shape hearts. So this is the classic shape, right? And then this is the more whimsical, like elongated shape. So I also found this ribbon at Walmart. But yeah, you can use just any ribbon you have on hand. Your faux burlap would be a good option. I just used this because this is what they had at the Walmart that I shopped at. So first things first, y'all, you want to wrap your... So I don't really care for this side, but I do like this side. So I start down here at the bottom. And like I said, I know I've seen this done with burlap as well. So, where they've wrapped the frame in burlap, I just put a little bit of hot glue on that metal frame just to tack that down. And I'm going to come in with some hot glue right there. You see where I've tacked that down. And we're just going to start the process of wrapping it. So the wrapping does not have to be perfect, y'all. So that's one thing that I do like. The wrapping of this does not have to be perfect. Like I said, you can use fabric, you can use burlap, you can use felt. So we're just going in and around the entire frame. I am making sure to overlap. So you see how there's this right here? I'm making sure to overlap that so you can't see any of the wireframe. I don't want to see any of that wireframe, y'all. So just wrapping this around, y'all. And I'm not wrapping it super duper tight, but it is tight enough to go around that entire frame so it's not moving all over the place. So we're back to where we started. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply some hot glue right back here. Right back here. And we're going to put that back there. We're just going to glue it down. Y'all, really, really cute idea. It's also kind of like, I love when I can find, you know, I love designer ribbon, but I also love like dupes. So it kind of gives the look of a designer item without the designer price tag, right? Now, what I am going to do, y'all, because I didn't do it on this one, I am going to add a pipe cleaner hanger to it. So, I'm going to just go ahead and... because this is going to be covered up anyways, y'all. So, what I did on this one, y'all, is I did add the hanger to it. So, this part you're not going to see. It kind of already blended in, but we're going to cover this, but you'll see this part. So that's why I wanted a coordinating color of it. So first things first, we are going to kind of sort these out, y'all. Really, all of this, y'all, is just about layering all the different shapes and sizes. So this is my first layer. My second layer is the larger hearts in the bags. So there's this size and then there's this size. So I'm choosing the larger ones first. I do individually glue all of these hearts on. That's the way I found it easier to work with. So just gluing these down, y'all. There's that center wire through there. So that's where I'm gluing that first. And then we're going to come back around and add some more. And then we're going to fill in with all of our little hearts. So now we've done one layer of hearts so far, right? Y'all, it's going to fill up pretty quickly. So now, how we've added that, now I want to come in and around this outer edge, and we're going to start adding different hearts as well. They're wood hearts. They're already painted. I don't have to sit here and paint a million little hearts. So I do love that. So just, and I'm being mindful, y'all. Like I said, I'm trying to make sure I'm getting all of that on the velvet. So this is what we have so far. Y'all, look, that even looks cute like that if you wanted to. So now we've got all of these little pieces, right? So this is where we get to have fun. And we just start gluing these down to fill in a lot of the little gaps. So now I'm going to start from up here at the top. And we are just gluing these down low. And I'm coming in like under some of these and tucking them in. Putting another one, just layering them all up on each other. Really, really pretty. So you will have glue strings, y'all, but definitely you can take a blow dryer, blow dry them off. I found that this worked earlier using the like a pipe cleaner. Kind of getting in there. So, like I said, you'll see some of the ribbon. You're not going to see a lot of it. You're not going to see a lot of the ribbon. But there's the back of it. So, really nice and clean. There's no glue strings back here after you take them off. Love this idea. Super stinking cute. And you can also definitely do these like the same color. I just like doing all the different colors, but if you want to, you can do all natural. You're going to use more packages that way. So 8 packages, 8 or 10 packages that we can create all of it in one color. So you'll have the natural, the pink, and then the red, whatever color.